Welcome to the Power Play Are You Ready to Get the Power lesson series. This curriculum was developed by the California Department of Public Health and the Champions for Change campaign. Each lesson, we'll be learning about the importance of eating healthy and being physically active. Lesson 2. Power Search. Today, students will work together on a research project about a specific fruit or vegetable. Before we get to the project, let's do a quick activity using the Power Search worksheet. Working by yourself or with others, try to find the names of all the fruits and vegetables listed on the bottom of the page in the word search. The words can be found either up and down, side to side, or diagonally. Pause the video here to allow time for this activity. Were you able to find all the fruits and vegetables? On the screen is the solution to the word search. Compare your answers to see if you missed any. Lesson break. You can choose to take a short break here and continue the lesson, or continue it another day. Pause the video here to take a break, or you can choose to move on to the next activity. Now, let's move on to today's activity, Power Research Report. Working in groups of 2 to 3 people, students will work together using the Power Research Report worksheet. Groups will be writing a short report about 2 to 3 paragraphs about one of the fruits or vegetables from the Power Search Activity worksheet we just completed. To help you in writing the report, try finding answers to the following questions on the worksheet about the fruit or vegetable your group chose. What is the name of the fruit or vegetable? Is it a fruit or a vegetable? What does the fruit or vegetable look like? Describe its color on the inside and outside, its shape, and its size. Does it grow in California? Where? What is in this fruit or vegetable that makes it good for you? Are there vitamins in it? What are they? Have you ever eaten this fruit or vegetable? Why or why not? If you have not eaten it, do you think you will eat it now that you've learned more about it? Why or why not? What are some ways that you can eat this fruit or vegetable? On the screen is an example of a report about tomatoes using answers to the questions. The tomato, is it a fruit or a vegetable? It all depends on who you ask. If you were to listen to a botanist, a scientist who studies plants, then it would be a fruit based on the fact that it contains seeds. But if you were to talk to a chef, they would call the tomato a vegetable because of its flavor and usage as a vegetable in many dishes. California is the second largest tomato producer in the US, primarily in the counties of San Joaquin, Stanislaus, and Merced. While the tomato is commonly described as round in shape with both a red skin and flesh, there are actually many different types of tomatoes that come in a variety of colors, shapes, and flavors, from tiny sweet yellow ones to large savory purple ones. Tomatoes are an excellent source of vitamin A and vitamin C, which are important for the health of your eyes and your immune system. If we didn't eat foods such as tomatoes rich in these vitamins, we would be more prone to getting sick or having eye issues. To help your group write the report, research information about different fruits and vegetables, either from the Activity Notes Power Research handout, in books, and online. Some useful websites for finding more information are on the screen. The best way to complete this project will be to split up what each member in your group does. One member may research and write about how the fruit or vegetable looks like and is commonly eaten. Another member may research and write about what makes the fruit or vegetable so good for you. And one member may research and write about where the fruit or vegetable comes from. By splitting up the work and having each member write part of the report, it makes it much easier to finish the project. Now get into groups and begin working on the Power Research Report activity. If time is limited, you can also have students work on this activity at home. When your group has completed its report, share it with the rest of the class. Pause the video here to allow time for this activity. Thank you for joining us for today's lesson. See you next time.